we're about to see the dream catcher. Ooh. Look at this. For the first time ever. Holy moly. Anyone want to try the slab?
Rookie 7 slab.
Oh, room.
The hardest one is Squamish.
Why are you guys deteriorating the video so much?
It's fun.
That's not like the V11 you're gonna send. If that's your limit.
Come on, dude. Tight. Crank it. Come on, dude.
Yeah, my heel just cut.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You're in.
Crank.
Come on.
Come on, dude.
Come on, dude. Look down.
Oh, come on, fight. Keep it. Don't worry about that. That's easy.
Come on, match in.
Come on, dude.
Yeah. What?
What am I?
Your foot beta is black, bro.
Come on, bro. Yeah, get the heel in. Yeah, so good. Come on. Oh. That's fine. Come on. Yeah,
Let's go, Lloyd.
come on.
Breathe, dude.
Yeah.
Breathe, dude. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, breathe.
Everything. Come on.
Yes.
Come on, you know this.
Stick
Come
it.
on.
Yeah, come on.
Yes.
I don't know what. Wait, what? I'm doing phase like. Come on.
Come on. You can do this. Come on.
All right.
Go get it. Yes. Come on.
Finish it off. Come on, dude.
Breathe,
Come on.
dude.
You know what's going on.
Breathe.
Come on.
Come on. You know this. You've done this. Let's go.
Yeah.
Keep breathing.
So good. Come on.
Push. Come on.
Nice. Let's go.
Sick.
Come on, dude. Trust it. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Dimple. Dimple. Yeah, dude. Holy shit.
Oh, that felt really scary. Holy shit.
Embrace that end of the spectrum I talked about the micro beta. They might recognize that they could have kept their foot on. But I am concerned that if people
I don't believe you. You're a liar. He's lying.
How big is your brain? I'll show you where mine is. I need to know how open your mind is. Pain. How do you feel about time?
Oh my God.
Have you met an earth sign with the Gemini rising? Contradiction.
Look at it.
I could listen to anybody honest. Do you prefer sunshine or rain? Tell me, how big is your brain?
Oh, it's flying away with it. It's freaking crazy.
I've been on the beach for days, only talking to the waves. I can count on them to be consistent. All the folks I know are fucking strange. You're like sand.
Give me a favorite movie quote. Okay, you don't watch movies.
You like jazz? Come on. Nice look, come on. Strong dude, come on. Post wave.
That's it, like, come on.
Come on, strong, come on. Come on, Lloyd, that's it. Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
Why did I do that? Why does everything collapse? Even when it's glued together. Hey, why did I do that? I make everything collapse. Even when it's glued together. Awkward footing, mixing bitter pills with chocolate pudding.
You're just not latching, bro. Yeah, come on, heal. Come on, dude. Finish it. Easy peasy. Yeah, up. Oh, you're done. Whoa. Whoa, you did it. Woo. Oh, I'm gonna die. How do I keep videoing?
Stop videoing. Yeah, the beta was take your pants off.
It's called Rampage style.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh.
You
wouldn't understand.
all the vibes called your name. Keep your stay thinking of me. I feel up you so many times this week. Those eyes open, those I can't forget to close. The dark seeks dark.
Wee!
The dark seeks.
Maybe I'll come back for that barefoot. I don't know. I can't believe I punted it. Oh man. Not today. No.
With their fist. What?
I miss Max. We could be yodeling.
No way.
Really? They don't look so star. No, they don't. They look cool. Yeah, come on, dog. Come on. Down pulling. Breathe. You got a big right foot. That thing that your hand was just on. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Keep moving. Come on. Breathe. Deep breath. Build your feet.
Some things I do devotees.
Yeah, nice, dude. Deep breaths. Throw a heel up. Wow.
Nice, good work. How'd that feel on your wrist? Fine.
Be a surfer.
You kind of look like a surfer, bro.
I'm tired.
Blonde hair, you know?
Greasing up the hold. Gotta canvas the last move too, dude.
Yeah, you for sure have to pure canvas
Gotta
it.
like canvas the slab. Come on, scrape yourself up. Slide. No feet. No.
Not a pure campus.
I'm so tired.
Alright, we're rolling.
Holy fuck. Do you think I can get up without dabbing? On the tree. Dude. Yo. That was kind of fucked up.
Yeah, that was. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yo, it's too easy, man. Come on. Pretty good? Do it again.
That's my trap right there. Come on. I didn't get the first part. Yeah, so good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Shoot for it. Come on. Come on.
Lucky to have people in my life. Power to break my heart.
Yeah, come on, dude.
Ali. Really, Carly?
What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
It's pretty amazing. Come on, dude. Yeah.
I'm walking in love, I'm walking the line for you. Keeping up with trust, I'm keeping up with us. Oh yeah. You got me by the hand, you got me by the touch. And will it be enough? Will it be
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Yes.
Ah! Ah! That was horrible, dude.
I'm spending my summer time until I'm crying again.
Bruising it. Come on, dude.
You may cry, that's the line.
Come on. Come on, dude. Fight. It's over. Come on. Again, come on. It's good. Come on. Get the deal. Come on, dude. Take. Come on.
Try firing off the hot.
You okay?
God, bro's ripped. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on. What? That's kinda. You know all the moves. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. Get that heel. Come on. You're done. Come on, dude. You have the right foot, or you can just bump. Come on, dude. Bro screaming. Don't punt. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Finally, holy shit.
Good job, man.
Thanks. I told you. You were right. You were right.
Okay, send train, send train, send train, send train.
Tight. Yeah,
Come on,
that's
come
it.
on,
Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Woo.
Fucking hate myself. I hate myself. I hate myself. Everything. Fuck this shit. Ah. What the fuck is the point of this shit?